In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently send an email from HubSpot and track its journey from your dashboard. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just want a refresher on some of the email functionalities, you're in the right place. We'll focus on accessing your contacts, sending a tailored email, and monitoring its status, all within HubSpot. So let's dive in. First, we need to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the contacts section. You'll find this option in the main toolbar at the top of your dashboard, a central spot where all your contact information is comprehensively organized. Here, you'll see a list of your contacts. Browse through your contacts and select the specific individual you intend to email. This will open their profile where you can see past interactions, essential details, and engagement statistics, an ideal place to start for personalized communication. Next, look for and click on the Send Email button. It's crucial to note that this email will be most effective when it comes directly from the contact owner. Ensure that the sender field is set to the contact owner, establishing a more personal and direct line of communication. This step is not just a formality, it significantly boosts the authenticity and response potential of your message as it creates a direct link between your brand and your contact. Now let's add a touch of personalization to your email. HubSpot offers a feature called personalization tokens. What these do is automatically insert specific contact information into your message. For example, instead of starting your email with a generic hello, you can use a token to address your contact by their first name. Simply insert these tokens where needed, making sure the content feels tailored to the recipient. A personalized email not only captures attention, but can also lead to higher engagement rates. Once your email looks good, it's time to hit the send button. After sending, it's important to track the email's journey and engagement. HubSpot provides this functionality directly on the contact's timeline, a dynamic interactive feed that provides real-time updates. In this timeline, you can monitor who opens your emails, the links they click, and any responses. All these insights into your contact's behavior help you understand their preferences, allowing you to improve future interactions. And there you have it. Sending an email through HubSpot is as easy as that. By following these steps, you ensure that your communications are effective, timely, and relevant to each unique contact. Successful interactions build strong customer relationships, and HubSpot's tools make this not just possible, but straightforward. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of your emailing opportunities in HubSpot. Until next time, happy emailing!